Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my t-gewehr. Here it is. And please check out my other video as well. And please consider subscribing. So first you need this regular sheet of paper. This is a quarter size sheet of paper, A4 paper of course. And you want to fold it in half, like so. Okay. Then you want to bring and make sure the edge right here is facing up. Okay, and you want to bring this edge and you want to fold it right onto the top. Okay, so where the center line is. Okay, same thing on this side. So this edge onto the top right here. So you're folding the side where the center line is. Okay. Okay, then you want to unfold those. Then you want to fold them inside. So open up this pocket right here and fold those crease lines in. Okay, bringing this whole corner inside. Same thing on this side. You see right here. So open up this model and fold in this whole corner. Okay, just follow the crease line right here. Okay, and now you're going to fold this whole thing in half and you're going to sink this portion right here. So bring this edge right onto the longer edge on top. Like so, and make a good crease right here because I'm going to sink this portion. Okay, then unfold. Then you're going to open up this whole area right here, this whole model, and you see the smaller rectangle right here. You're going to fold down all the crease line that we just folded. Okay. Okay, like so. Then you're going to fold back up the model. Okay, so you're going to follow these crease lines. So first you're going to fold down that triangle right here. Same thing on this side as well. Like that. And same thing here. Just fold up those crease lines. Then you're going to fold down the whole model like so. Okay. And now I'm going to fold this whole model in half. So, but first you're going to bring this front layer and fold it right across like that. So this is going to be the front and this is going to be the back side, okay? And then you're going to fold this whole thing in half and make sure the side edge, the longer side, you see, is facing towards you. Then fold this whole thing in half. Okay. So it should look like this. So this should be the back side. You see that slant right here, the shorter side. And this is the front of the gun. Okay. And now you see this this small triangle right here. You're going to fold this in. And fold that triangle down like so, and make sure the back side is kind of 90 degrees. Okay, this is going to be the pistol grip for the gun. So you see right here. And fold it down. Okay, and now you take that top layer right here, and you're going to fold this piece all the way up. Like so. So this is going to be the bolt of the gun. And you see this triangle on top, you're going to fold that inside. So I'm going to first pre-crease it. So you see that corner right here, you're going to fold down where this corner is and make sure this edge lines up as well. Make sure everything lines up. And make a crease right here. Then unfold it. Then fold this right inside. So open up this pocket right here. And you want to fold that right in. Okay. And you're going to do the same thing on, of course, it's going to be the stock. So you're going to do the same thing here. But leave just a little bit between that corner. So that the stock is slightly longer. So just like that, and you see a little bit of the slant portion is there. Then you're going to fold this inside. So open up this pocket right here, then just slide that in. Okay. Then you're going to zigzag fold right around where everything else is, the pistol grip and the bolt. So fold this forward, then back again, like so, and then fold the top edge back just a little bit, right onto this corner, this back corner right here. Okay. Then fold this slightly down so this whole edge lines up, or is a little bit slanted down like that. Okay. And then fold this whole piece down like so, and fold this whole thing in half. Okay. So just like that. Fold it in half like that. And then you take this edge and fold it right around where this corner is. So if you look in the inside, there should be this slant piece right here, and that corner right there. See? So bring that edge and fold it right onto that corner. Okay? Or somewhere around there. And then fold this whole thing in half again. Like so. Okay? And this is going to be just a little bit of a thick fold, but you're going to fold this bolt piece in half again, okay? So you're going to fold that back. See, like that? And fold it in half. It's going to be a thick fold. So it's a little bit more rounder, yes. And now you see this corner right here. You're going to fold that back. Okay. So you can see right here is fold it back. Kind of adjust the bolt a little bit because it's going to move with it. So fold that corner back and kind of fix up the bolt. Okay. And now just make a little bit of a dent right here to shape out the stock. As you can see. And now turn it over to the back side of the gun and bring this whole edge up. So you see this point right here, this corner, fold it right onto the top and fold it right up to that pistol grip right there, okay? That little triangle. Okay, start from the middle. And from that little triangle, it might be a bit of a thick fold right here. And that corner right onto the top. You can see right there and onto that little corner. I mean that little triangle. Okay, and now you're going to make the front sight. So there should be a little bit of that front sight, as you can see right there. So you see that corner right there? You're going to fold this triangle back and bring that point right around the center of that triangle. Okay, somewhere in third, and kind of fold up that triangle. Okay, like that. And now you're going to fold this whole portion in half right onto this portion right here where the fork where it splits off. The thicker portion right here. Okay, so this is going to be the barrel. So fold this whole thing in half. Okay, as you can see right here, and kind of drag it up right onto the top and lift up the front, the top edge a little bit. Okay, so and kind of like zigzag fold right here. Like that. Oh wait, the back portion is kind of sticking up a little bit. Okay, so it should look like this. And kind of square this out. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.